Welcome to our channel. The right travel apps simplify every aspect of your journey. Step 1. Download essential apps before departure when you have reliable internet. Step 2. Use flight tracking apps to monitor delays and gate changes in real time. Step 3. Install offline maps that work without data connection for navigation. Step 4. Get translation apps that work offline for language assistance. Step 5. Use accommodation apps to find and book places with verified reviews. Step 6. Download transportation apps for your destination to navigate public transit easily. Step 7. Use currency converter apps to understand prices and avoid overpaying. Step 8. Install expense tracking apps to monitor spending and stay within budget. Step 9. Download apps for restaurant recommendations and reservations. Step 10. Use packing list apps to ensure you don't forget essentials. Step 11. Get local event apps to find activities and experiences. Step 12. Enable offline mode on essential apps to conserve data while traveling. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.